Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a video kind of explaining how I make money on scrapping cans and scrapping metal. As you can see here, I've got some metal. Um, this is just like an old door that we had. This kind of stuff, metal, you can find. Sometimes people just throw it in ditches, um, or on like the side of the road. And then this is all cans basically. So yeah, these are trash bags full of cans, and yeah, and then this is just like a lot of metal, like from my yard that was just kind of old metal gardening stuff, or that people throw like on the side of the road. Sometimes if you're driving in the countryside, you can see people throwing away metal stuff, like contractors throwing away metal in the ditches. But yeah, if you find metal, you can take it to like a metal center or recycling center. What I do is I put it in garbage bags. I basically only buy cans nowadays. So if I'm at the gas station buying a drink or something like that, I just buy it in cans and basically stock it in garbage bags, or I just keep an eye out for metal. Um, yeah, people's, if you see metal or you have some at your house, or if you buy like beer cans, you can just crush it and put it in garbage bags and bring it to like a recycling center. That's kind of what I do. I make between $20 and $60 last year. Over the winter, I made $60 from metals and cans that I saved, and that was a lot. That was probably like 7 garbage bags full of cans and then some metal. But yeah, if you just keep an eye out for metal and um, cans that you can save, and if you see cans on the ground, you can collect it. That's what I do a lot. And it's like a good environmental thing too, and then you can just make a little bit of money that way. Um, yeah, so it's it's just like a good like side hustle, I guess you could say, and you just keep your eyes open for that kind of stuff, or if you're at your house and you have old metal projects that you don't need anymore, you can just put it in a pile and scrap it. But yeah, you can make money doing it if you bring it. Just look for your local recycling center or metal center, and just it's better than throwing it in the garbage, because if you throw it in the garbage, you can't. It's like not good for the earth, and you can use metal over and over again. That's the good thing about metal. They can melt it down and send it out um, in their machines that they have. I forgot what the word is called, but yeah. So I would just keep an eye out for cans that you see on the road or things like that, and just start collecting it and see how it goes.